opportunity. My name's Ash Conway. I'm the CEO and founder of this awesome company called BugWolf. What we do at BugWolf is we enable our customers to discover more software bugs in less time with less people. And the way we do this is we've developed a pay-for-performance SaaS platform where testers compete with each other over very, very short periods of time to improve the digital experience. And they're incentivized to report back usability, user experience, and functionality defects in a very, very short space. The reason we do this is to address the rising cost of quality. As we become more connected and more reliant on technology, and as technology becomes more fragmented, the cost of quality is rising. In fact, it inspired Cambridge University to produce a report back in 2013 that stated software bugs were costing the economy over $300 billion a year and rising. And no one is immune. Online retailers are affected by this. As cars become connected to the internet, we start to see a larger number of recalls. And even some of the leading technology companies around the world are being impacted. In fact, as we went out to market and started to talk to a number of customers, we realized best practice says organizations should spend between 20 and 30% of every engineering dollar spent on testing. And many organizations, to address this problem, are spending up to 50%. So the way we address this challenge today is twofold. Robots, essentially test automation. The challenges with test automation are it's very time-consuming and expensive to be able to automate every single customer journey inside your software products. The other side of the market is actually using real humans, testers. And some of the challenges with that is assembling those teams and the expense that comes with those. Both of these traditional methodologies are constrained today by the fact that we've moved from shipping software every 3 to 6 months down to 4 to 6 weeks, and in some cases, shipping software on a daily basis. When we actually took our SaaS platform with a team of 5 testers in less than 24 hours, these are some of the results we delivered our customers. We saved them over $100,000 in remediation costs. We deliver customers between 300 and 1,000% return on investment. We slashed 21 days off a release cycle for a large enterprise. That's a significant opportunity for business. And after an organization had run multiple test cycles, we discovered over 258 bugs in only 24 hours with a team of 5 testers. These are some of our customers. We have customers right around the world. Everything from large banks down to small enterprise. We've been in private beta. We're bootstrapped. We're growing at over 300% year-on-year growth, and we're on a trajectory to reach $1 million in revenue next year. And we're in one of the fastest growing markets in the world. Over $100 billion in revenue is being generated out of the testing as a service space. This is how customers acquire our products. We've got in-house, self-service, and managed. We design challenges. We assemble teams and match those teams against your product requirements. We provide a vetted marketplace of testers, which could be our testers or your testers. Testers compete. We capture videos. We built this cool little video tool that captures videos of the defects from a desktop. They report bugs, and customers get to see real-time insights about those issues. My name's Ash Conway. I've had 10 years in biz dev, 10 years as a designer, and this is my rock star team that helped make this happen.
So, first question, this is cool. You're gamifying it
Yeah.
Sales is easy to run because you can do this all the time. This is pretty cool to bring this over to the engineering side of the world. First question is where do you see this fitting with GitHub and Jira? Do you integrate into these platforms? Where does it fit in the stack? Or as a CEO, am I just pulling a bunch of discretionary income that I'm not spending today just to separate this massive problem out? because the RI is so big?
Well, we're essentially taking what exists today and we're able to do that with significantly less people and less time, so there is a cost saving there. We do actually integrate into a number of different platforms, Jira, GitHub, so we're able to become part of that DevOps process that already exists today. And I think the way we see the world moving is moving to this software-driven development space, which we do ourselves. And I see quite a significant change happening around the traditional test processes. So.
One more question is, what % of your users are actually using their own testers versus yours?
A large number. In fact, we actually get brought in as a fresh set of eyes in a lot of cases after they've run their own test processes. And then some organisations prefer to use ours to essentially replace that traditional internal role. So it really just comes down to the use case, the different types of clients and things.
Fantastic, Ash. Thank you so much.
Thanks for that.